It's kind of very comfortable. The sun wasn't beating down. It is still kind of muggy.
Yeah, the temperature's being kept down by the fact that we have this cloud cover going on. Pesky clouds, but I think they're going to start to break up a little bit for us maybe as we work through the afternoon. We actually could use some rain. I don't know about your lawn.
My lawn.
Well, it's starting to look a little brown around the edges. Let's take a peek at radar. Well, early this morning we had a batch of rain showers work in here. That stuff just kind of fizzled away pretty quickly, but actually a fairly extensive batch of it to the south of the city. And as of noontime today, we have primarily dry conditions intact over the area, except for this little bit of shower activity which is scooting right along the Pennsylvania line right now, just to the south of I-86. That's about the extent of precipitation across the area, and I suspect that's the way it's going to be this afternoon. There might be something isolated popping up, but nothing overly significant. Taking a look at your satellite picture, and we have a fair amount of cloudiness extending all the way back to the west here. The clouds will probably break up a little bit for us, maybe mid to late afternoon, so maybe a little bit more sun in the mix there, and of course the temperature will respond to that. You get the sun out, warms up a little bit more, but more in the way of clouds back here to the west, so they're going to be over the area tonight. And also into tomorrow, too. And there's a chance of those clouds maybe shaking loose some rain showers during the day tomorrow, but nothing overly widespread. As we turn to super microcast for the afternoon hours, the clouds thinning out a little bit here by later in the afternoon. Getting into the evening hours, mostly cloudy skies will develop again across the area overnight. And then tomorrow, thickening clouds will give way to some scattered rain showers across the area. There's going to be a lot of rain-free time in here. Key word here, scattered, which means not all places will see this stuff. There also is the possibility of a thunderstorm, too. This winds down tomorrow evening, and it sets the stage for some very nice weather heading our way for Thursday, with mostly to partly sunny skies, definitely on the warm side. In fact, the humidity increasing tomorrow, and the temperature to go with that, especially toward the end of the week. Today's highs, this might be a little overdone, but we'll probably get close to 80 degrees at the Falls, Tonawanda, over toward Amherst and Clarence, 79 for a high at Medina. Down to the south across the southern tier, generally upper 70s in spots like Wellsville and Olean. Back to the west, Jamestown, you'll peak close to 80 degrees if you can get a little bit more sun out. Same goes for Hamburg, Orchard Park, and West Seneca. Right now, 75 at the Falls, 75 at Buffalo, 77 down at Dunkirk, 69 down at Bradford, and 72 at Wellsville. And some beautiful news tracker shots coming in. This from Jeff in Jamestown last night. Beautiful sundown, and Carlton sending another similar photo of the sunset last night. As we check your almanac, the sunset time, that is coming up at 8:47. And we have a water temperature of 74 degrees off Buffalo. And you know what? I can't remember the last time I saw a water temperature this warm off Rochester on Lake Ontario. 76 degrees. It is very warm now along the south shore of Lake Ontario, especially after the upwelling which took place late last week, sending the temperatures down into the 50s. Well, the forecast details for this afternoon, we're going to be looking at mostly to partly cloudy skies, and there may be a few isolated rain showers, which means many locations will be rain-free for the afternoon. High temperature between 77 and 80 degrees. For the overnight, mostly cloudy skies, just a chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but mainly rain-free overnight. 63 in the interior to about 69 in the city. Tomorrow, clouds, limited sun, scattered showers and thunderstorms develop, more humid, the high 79 to 83. And on Thursday, we're back to the sunshine, a mostly to partly sunny day, warm, low 80s. And on Friday, we may actually be edging our way toward the mid-80s, and along with that, increasing clouds, rain showers and thunderstorms developing, and some of that will linger into at least the first half of the weekend. We're going to try to get it out of here in time for Sunday.